Leaders, are you ready to transform your healthcare organization with the power of machine learning? Imagine unlocking new insights, improving patient care, and optimizing operations with a single tool. We're going to show you how Amazon SageMaker can revolutionize your approach to healthcare data. Stay with us, because the payoff is big. You'll discover how to get started, the benefits of taking action, and what's at stake if you don't. The healthcare landscape is rapidly evolving, and staying ahead means embracing cutting-edge technology. Machine learning is no longer a luxury but a necessity to drive innovation and improve patient outcomes. Amazon SageMaker offers a unique opportunity to harness the power of machine learning without the complexities of traditional methods. This is your chance to revolutionize your organization's data strategy and gain a competitive edge. Leaders, don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the link in the description to get our free implementation guide to help you every step of the way and learn how to integrate Amazon SageMaker into your operations today. Healthcare leaders face numerous challenges with machine learning. Complex and costly infrastructure management, tedious data preparation and labeling, and the need for scalable solutions to handle large datasets. Training models are resource-intensive, deploying them can be challenging, and ongoing performance monitoring is crucial. Ensuring data security and compliance while maintaining collaboration among team members are also significant hurdles. Amazon SageMaker addresses these challenges by providing a fully managed environment that simplifies infrastructure management, data preparation, and labeling with tools like Data Wrangler and Ground Truth. It supports various ML frameworks for flexible model building and offers managed training infrastructure with automatic hyperparameter tuning. SageMaker also simplifies model deployment, provides continuous monitoring and debugging tools, and includes built-in security and compliance features. The integrated environment in SageMaker Studio enhances team collaboration and productivity. Getting started with Amazon SageMaker involves 3 steps: prepare data, build and train models, and deploy and monitor models. Collect and store data in Amazon S3, use Data Wrangler for preparation, and Ground Truth for labeling. Launch SageMaker Studio, create notebooks, and build your model using built-in algorithms or custom frameworks. Train your model with SageMaker's managed infrastructure and optional hyperparameter tuning. Deploy the trained model to production using SageMaker's one-click deployment, create endpoints for real-time inference, and use batch transform for large-scale predictions. Monitor performance continuously with model monitor and update models as needed. Not leveraging Amazon SageMaker can lead to increased complexity, higher costs, poor data quality, and suboptimal model performance. Manual infrastructure management is time-consuming, and inefficient processes can delay projects. Inadequate tools for data preparation and labeling can result in errors, while manual hyperparameter tuning can lead to inferior models. Deployment and monitoring challenges can degrade model performance over time. Security and compliance risks are heightened without built-in features, and fragmented tools hinder collaboration and productivity. By leveraging Amazon SageMaker, leaders can enhance efficiency and productivity, save costs with optimized resource utilization, and improve data quality and labeling accuracy. SageMaker's automatic hyperparameter tuning and distributed training support superior model performance. Simplified deployment and continuous monitoring ensure models perform well over time. Built-in security and compliance features protect your data and ensure regulatory adherence. The integrated environment fosters collaboration, scalability, and flexibility, enabling faster innovation and better decision-making. These benefits collectively drive a competitive advantage and customer satisfaction. The stakes are high if leaders don't adopt a managed machine learning service like Amazon SageMaker. Delays and inefficiencies can jeopardize project success, leading to missed deadlines and client dissatisfaction. Poor model performance impacts product quality, and the inability to innovate hinders business competitiveness. Increased costs from inefficient processes affect financial health, while stress and burnout from operational challenges can decrease team morale and productivity. Security breaches and non-compliance risks can damage your reputation and financial stability. Operational inefficiencies reduce flexibility and responsiveness, potentially eroding stakeholder confidence and support. Leaders, take the next step to transform your healthcare organization. Click the link in the description to get our free implementation guide and see exactly how to get started with Amazon SageMaker. This essential resource will show you how to unlock the full potential of machine learning and drive your organization to new heights. Don't miss this opportunity to lead your team to unparalleled success.